Na yung last example natin for stability. Yan. Proceed na agad. A barge floating in fresh water has the form of a parallelepiped. Has dimensions 10 meters by 30 meters by 3. It weighs 4,500 kilonewtons when loaded with center of gravity along its vertical axis 4 meters from the bottom. Find the metacentric height about its longest and shortest center line and determine whether or not the barge is stable. So, yan. Napakadaling intindihin kung naintindihan nyo yung mga pinagsasabi ko nung sa intro and then sa first example. Yun. Madali nyo na lang itong gagawin. So, yan. Ilagay na natin yung itsura ng barge. A barge floating. So, kayo na lang bahala mag-search kung ano yung barge, ano yung scow, mga ganyan. So, ang nilalagay ko lang dito is rectangle kasi ang hirap niyang i-drawing. Yan. So, yan. So, yan. 30 meters, 3 meters, and then yung ating isa pang part dito, which is gaga. Bakit ganito yung drawing ko? Sorry, guys. Ayan. So, ganito yung itsura niya, diba? Dito yung 10 meters. 10 meters. Ayan. Ganyan yung itsura niya, no? So, next, hindi ko pala siya. Alisin na natin yung drawing na yan. Kayo na lang bahala mag-drawing sa scratch nyo. Yan. So, dito. 30 meters muna yung ilalagay ko. Yung weight is 4,500. Located 4 meters from the bottom. Ating G. That is 4 meters from the bottom. And then, ano pa? This is the draft. This is the BO, which is D over 2. And then, find, dahil hindi binigay ang draft, kailangan natin kunin ang value ng D. So, W is equal to BF lang yan. Buoyancy lang yan. May weight kang binigay na 4,500. And then, BF is gamma VD. So, how to solve that? W is 4,500. Ang ating gamma for fresh water is simply 9.81. And then, the volume of the drop, which is 30 by 10 by D. Yan, 4,500 times 9.81 times 10 times 30. Equals to 9.81 times 10 times 30 times D. So, solving for D, you will get an answer of 1.53. So, yun lang ating draft, which is 1.53. And then, kunin mo na agad yung GBO dahil makakuha mo na yan. Dahil meron ka ng value ng D, masasolve mo na yung distance ng BO from the bottom, which is 1.53 over 2. And then, meron kang distance of G from the bottom, which is 4 meters. Ima-minus mo lang yan. 4 minus D over 2, which is 4 minus 1.53 over 2. And then, you will get the answer for GBO, which is 3.235. So, yan, dahil may GBO ka na, ano yung susunod natin isosolve? Hindi ba yung MBO, which is masasolve natin through the use of the formula. So, the formula, yan. So, ilagay muna natin kasi dalawa yung hinahanap dyan, diba? Find the metacentric height about its longest and shortest center line and determine whether or not the barge is stable from each situation. So, along the longitudinal axis, along the rolling side, the shortest center line, which is B is equal to 10. Yan. So, ang base natin is equal to 10. And MBO will be equal to B over 12D plus times 1 plus 0.5 tangent square theta. So, meron kang value ng B. Ang base mo dyan is 10 dahil along the rolling axis ka. And then, 12 times D. The D is 1.53. And then, yung theta mo is 0 dahil wala tayong binanggit na situation na of tilting. So, walang tilting na naganap dito. So, ang kakailangan mo lang alamin is stable or unstable siya. And then, finding the MG. So, MBO, salpak mo lahat ng given, 10, 1.53, and 0. You will get an answer of 5.45 meters sa MBO. And then, what will be the next one, di ba? Kung titignan nyo, MBO is larger than GBO, meaning Dito pa lang malalaman mo na that the barge is stable along the rolling axis. Yan. So, MBO 5.45 minus GBO 3.235 will give you the answer for the metacentric height, which will be equal to 2.215 meters, and yun nga, the barge is stable. Next one is along the transverse direction, which is the pitching side. And then, dahil pitching yan, you will be considering the base of 30 meters. So, gamit ulit yung formula na MBO is equal to B squared over 12D. Salpak mo lang ulit. So, B will be now equal to 30 meters. And then, D is always 1.53. And then, theta will be 0 dahil hindi rin siya tilted. And then, solving for MBO, 49.02. And then, compare MBO is greater than GBO, which is 3.235. So, this will give you the conclusion na the barge is stable also in the pitching direction. So, yan. So, MBO, and then, dahil hinahanap ang ating metacentric height, minus mo lang ulit. MG is equal to MBO minus GBO. Then, salpak mo. MBO is 49.02. GBO is 3.235. Minus mo lang yan, and it will give you the answer of a metacentric height na 45.785 meters. So, sulat lang natin. The barge is stable in the pitching direction. So, yun lang. Ganun lang kasimple. So, ayun. Hindi ko pala naisulat dito yung pwede nyong gawin. So, yung mga ibang mga nanonood nito na hindi ko siyante. So, maghanap na lang kayo sa mga past board exam. And sa libro, meron din mga libro ni Gilisanya, libro ni Besavilla. Napakaraming pwede nyong gamitin ngayon. At napakarami ding PDF file ngayon involving hydraulics. So, mag-search na lang kayo, So, hindi ko kasi siya na-ready pala, sorry. Hindi ko na-ready dito sa PowerPoint presentation to. Ang magbibigay ako ng pang seat work nyo. So, yan, sorry guys. So, sa mga estudyante ko, magbibigay ako after uploading this one. I will give you 2. Yes, 2. I will give you 2 assignments na ipapasa nyo on Thursday. So, yan. So, sa Thursday is magkakaroon ulit kayo ng bagong topic, which is hoop tension. So, yan lang. So, thank you for listening. Sana na-gets nyo itong topic about stability of floating bodies. So, yan. Ulit-ulitin nyo lang yung concept. Concept lang tayo ng concept para kahit na balik ta rin ko man yung problem ninyo, problem na ibibigay ko sa quiz nyo is masasagutan nyo pa rin. Basta, kabisado nyo ang concept. Yun lang. Thank you. Bye.